I'm up here in the mountains and look at this storm blowing in right here. There's a cloud coming. It's about to blow over me. A lot of storms out tonight. About to be in the clouds here. You can see it going over there. Oh, you can feel it too. Ooh, feels good, nice and cool. Blowing over the mountain. Some interesting colors right there. I'm looking out towards Mount Yana's right over there. Ooh, look at that. Pretty close to the ground there. It's probably got some heavy rain in it. It's got lightning.